This video walks you through how to send a batch payment in Xero. Begin in Xero and open the Purchases menu. From there, select Bills to go to the Bills area where you can view the invoices that are currently in the system. Once you are on the Bills page, move to the Awaiting Payment tab. This tab shows the bills that have been approved and are ready to be paid, which is where the batch payment process begins. In the Awaiting Payment tab, look through the list and select the bills you want to include. Check the box for each bill that should be part of this payment run. Take a moment here to make sure you are choosing the correct bills, since the next steps will group them into a single batch payment process. After the bills are selected, click Make Payment above the list of bills. Xero will then ask how you want to process the payment. Choose Batch Payment, then click Continue. This moves you from the bill selection screen into the payment setup screen for the batch. On the next screen, enter the payment details for the batch. Start by selecting the payment date. This is the date that will be recorded for the payment transaction, so make sure it matches the date you want reflected in your records. Next, choose the bank account that the funds will come from. If your organization has more than one account listed in Xero, double-check that you are selecting the correct one before moving forward. You will also need to enter the bank statement details. Add the reference or description you want to appear with the transaction in your bank records. Keep the wording clear so the payment can be identified later when reviewing statements or reconciling transactions. Once those details are entered, review the payments before submitting them. Check the suppliers listed in the batch and confirm that each one is correct. Review the bank details shown for each payment and make sure the information matches the supplier records you expect to use. Then verify the payment amounts so the total and individual values are correct. This review stage is important because it gives you a final chance to catch anything that should be adjusted before the payments are created. When everything looks correct, click Make Payments. Xero will process the batch using the bills and payment details you selected. After that, the payment records will be created in the system based on the batch you just confirmed. Your batch payment has now been created in Xero for the selected bills.